Here I have Samsung Galaxy J3 2017 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation that device by using the Samsung settings. At the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, then let's open the list of all apps. Here find and select the settings. Scroll down from the following options, let's choose General Management. From General Management, let's choose Reset. Here select Factory Data Reset. So here you've got information about this operation. If you are aware of this, let's tap Reset. And if you would like to erase all personal information, downloaded apps, and also reset the customized settings, let's choose Delete All. Right now the device is performing the hard reset, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so now you can activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.